He's massive. And I kind of have to put a little. Shh. No! One shot. One kill. Make sure he's not got any boyfriends.
I know you're here.
Oh my God. How do you know that?
Because I smelled your stinky ass.
I showered yesterday.
You about to get killed, brother. You about to pay. You're gonna pay.
Wait, a fucking clown car! How many of you are up there?
Oh, too many for you to count, pal.
I can count pretty high. Lay it on me. You think you've got what it takes? Then come get it! I heard 3 voices in 3 separate directions. How many of these fuckers are there? Where's my guy got fucking noodle arms? I can't stay out there for longer than 10 seconds. Stay away from me, you demons! Stay away! You missed, puss man. You missed! And that's the only shot you're gonna get! Show yourselves, demons! Stop hiding in your shadows!
And now we're beating each other! This is the wrong floor!
No way. No way! Thank God it was the wrong floor. I was right up there in the hallway. Thank God that guy doesn't know the first floor from the second floor. That could have been bad. 1 down. 2 to go. Or 3. Or 4. I have no idea. I have an idea! I have an idea! Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Got your little boyfriend. Bet that's making you pretty unhappy, don't you? Bet you're pretty unhappy about that. I'm looking at him right now, and he's not looking too good. Are you gonna do something about that? Are you gonna do something about that? Oh, okay. Perfect. But we'll let those guys off with a warning. We'll let those guys off with a little warning this time. We'll get them on the flippity flop.